Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to decrease the photo size from your mobile. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Many of the videos are showing that you need to install any application, but for today's video I will show you how to do that without installing any application. So first of all, go to your browser and you have to just search for decrease photo size, and that's all. This will lead you to the list of the website. You can just use any of it. Just I'm using the first link as a random selection. Click the select image, then click files, go to the image section, select your particular image. Okay, then you can just select the width, height, then the percentage, resolution, the format, then the quality. It has been selected as 90% quality. After that you can just choose the background if you want, then click resize image, click download image, click download. That's it, the photo has been downloaded. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.